How to fix Audiomack login error. So I'm going to be telling you a couple of proven solutions in this video that will definitely help you solve this problem. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and you can simply restart your router if not. Then you want to simply go ahead and verify your email and password, which means double check that your email and password are correct, as passwords are also case sensitive. If you forgot your password generally, then you want to simply click on forgot password, give them your email. They're going to send you a reset link for the account. If you're on an Android device, you can simply go ahead and try clearing the cache by going into settings, app, Audiomack, and storage, and click on clear cache. If your application has any updates pending, then you will most likely be facing this problem. Simply go ahead and update your application to the latest version. Always make sure that your date and time settings are set to automatic, as this also has the power to interfere with it. And always go ahead and check if the server status is up and running or down. You can go to downdetector.com and search for Audiomack. If you're using any kind of VPN or proxy, I highly recommend you to stop using it. Then if that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and check if your account has been suspended or not by checking account status. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.